I want you to know that it's our time.
YDSL brand for Lte or WiFi solar surveillance camera. Double cameras, double monitoring. Smart for grams solar camera provides 1080p for MP with full colors, night vision. SD cards max to 1 to 8G. Peer human detection and two-way communications. If you are not at home, a courier will come to deliver the package. You can also open your phone anywhere and communicate with them. You can place your items in a designated location. Once a stranger enters your surveillance area, the camera will send a 12-second video to your phone as an alert. Smart Life, Smart YDSL. Follow us.